HP Chromebook 15.6 launched in India, priced at under 30,000 rupees. HP has added a new laptop to its Chromebook range in India. The new Chromebook 15.6 carries an affordable price tag and comes with Intel's Celeron processor, Google Assistant access, and much more. Here are the details. HP Chromebook 15.6, specs and features. The new HP Chromebook has a 15.6-inch HD display with 250 nits of brightness and micro-edge bezels. The laptop is powered by the Intel Celeron N4500 chip with a clock speed of up to 2.8 GHz, clubbed with Intel UHD graphics. It comes equipped with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of eMMC storage. There's support for dual MICS and a wide vision HD camera with temporal noise reduction. You also get large dual speakers with an improved speaker enclosure design. The new HP Chromebook comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5.0, along with connectivity options like 2 USB Type-C ports, one for power delivery and DisplayPort, one USB Type-A port, a micro SD card slot, and a headphone, microphone jack. There's a 47 Wh battery, which comes with a 45W adapter. The laptop runs Chrome OS. And there are a number of additional perks to make hybrid working easy. The new HP Chromebook 15.6 comes equipped with a dedicated numeric keypad, HP Quick Drop for easy file transfers, and Office 365 compatibility. It also provides access to services like Google Assistant, Google Classroom, and 12 months of Google One with 100 GB of cloud storage, which covers all Google apps. The new HP Chromebook joins the Chromebook X360 14A, roughly 28,999 rupees, the Chromebook X360, roughly Rs 44,999, the Chromebook 11, roughly 22,999 rupees, and the Chromebook 14, roughly 26,999 rupees, and more in India. Price and availability. The HP Chromebook 15.6 has a starting price of 28,999 rupees and can be bought via the company's website. It comes in forest teal and mineral silver colorways.